Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you 3 adorable DIYs perfect for Valentine's Day, but you could also make a version of these 3 DIYs for any holiday. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So for the first DIY, I used these 2 tin flower containers from the Dollar Tree. I took one of the handles off the taller bin so I could attach to the back side of the long one. I thought it would be pretty to paint it a chalk white and to put these Dollar Tree roses inside. I put around 3 coats of white chalk paint on this bin to cover it real well. I went ahead and took off the other handle on this bin and glued it to the back side so I could also hang this bin up on a hook in the future. I started using just hot glue to attach the handles, but realized it wasn't going to stick at all. So I ended up using this welding glue I got from Menards, and it worked so well. Once my bin was all dried, I just traced over the letters with a black Sharpie. I thought these Dollar Tree roses were so cute with the polka dot wrapping around each of them. You could hang this bin on anything, but I tried it out on our front door. I thought the red roses looked pretty with my heart doormat. To me, this looks like a little delivery bucket on our door, and it just looks so cute. You could switch out the florals for each season, so you can use this year-round. For this next DIY, I'm going to show you how to make these super easy mug toppers that look like whipped cream. All you need for this DIY is some Dollar Tree spackle. I used 2 containers to make 2 toppers. You will also need some Dollar Tree foam balls. I cut 1 ball in half to use as the mold for each topper. I just filled a plastic bag with the spackle and then cut a little hole at the end once I was done. You will just want to go around the mold with the spackle to form the faux cream. If you have actual cake or cupcake inserts to do this, you could really make it look adorable, but I didn't have any at the moment. I kind of just used my finger to help mold the spackle as well. I thought it would be cute to make a Valentine's inspired one by adding Valentine's Day sprinkles. I also added in a Dollar Tree heart pick. With the other container of spackle, I made a plain whipped topper that I can use year-round. These turned out so adorable. You can always change out the sprinkles to match any season or holiday. I think adding a cherry on top would be adorable too. Now for my last DIY, I'm going to show you how I made a Valentine's Day chalkboard sign. I get asked often how I make my DIY signs, so I'm going to show you exactly what I do. This is perfect if you don't want to spend any money on a sign and don't have a Cricut. I decided to take this old sign I wasn't using and turning it around to use the back side, and I turned it into a chalkboard sign using this chalkboard paint I got from Walmart. After I painted the sign, I let it cure overnight. The next day, I rubbed the sign with some chalk to give it that chalkboard look. Then I started making the words for my sign. I used the quote, "Love is brewing." I used the website PhotoJet. It's free and they have adorable fonts to choose from. I find the font I want and then make the words pretty large and then print them out. I then cut out all the words, which can be a little time consuming. To attach the words, I just use some Mod Podge I get from the Dollar Tree, and I attach it just like glue to the sign. I put a thin coat of Mod Podge on top as well. For this sign, I wanted it to look like steam was coming up out of a cup in the shape of a heart. I took this pumpkin spice large white mug that I had and just turned it around and attached a red heart to it. The little red heart I attached is from Dollar Tree. Since I wasn't planning on using the cup, just attaching a sticker heart was a cute way to make it look cute for Valentine's Day. I didn't love the steam heart I made, so I changed it up a bit, but still used some steam hearts that looked like they were coming out of this white mug. So that's all for my 3 Valentine's DIYs. Like I said before, you can use these tips and ideas for any season or time of the year. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and please subscribe if you aren't already for many more DIY videos from me in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.